We have launched the latest version, which comes with Pro license by default. Pro users can create countless whiteboards without any limitations. You can rename the board, unload the local board to online one. Jump back to local one. You can freely delete any board. Thumbnail in the lower left corner show your handwriting. Use pencil to write. Zoom in and out with your fingers. Change the colors and thickness freely. Eraser out your notes. Graphics can be changed in size and color at will. You can type in the graphics and change its size, positions, and color. Add links into it. Drag the graphics and duplicate. Change the graphics into text box. Also, you can change its color, change the text content and its characteristics. Change the order of graphics. Duplicate and delete. Add arrows to create connections for graphics. Plenty of template for you to use. The bottom righty corner is the page turning function. Quickly jump to any page. Also, you can turn pages by clicking on the arrow at the bottom right. Drag or add stickers and graphics freely. Click the final button. You can upload local PDF or pictures freely. Click Share in the upper left corner to upload your local board and invite your team members to join. For inviting ways for you to choose: email, code number, link, and QR code. Computer and phone users can join the board by these four ways. Change editing permissions. Change the board background canvas. Turn on the button. Draw with finger. Turn off the button. Drag with finger. Click upper left arrow to quickly create a new board or join other whiteboard. Rename the board. Export PDF by email or QR code. You can also select which page to export.